Modern society has many critical issues: water scarcity and the consequential restrictions on discharge limits, the increase in price of raw materials, CO2 emissions into the atmosphere will all impact our manufacturing systems. In this context, Veolia Water Solutions and Technologies Italia has chosen state-of-the-art activities and innovation. After 30 years of achievements backed by research, skills and expertise in the field and a clear technical foresight, Veolia has rethought its evaporation units for wastewater treatment. This is what's behind the new EVALED F15, the evolution of the MVR, a four-circulation evaporator working with Vapour Recompression that has proved its technical excellence in every industrial application where water is needed. The MVR was designed to reduce waste volumes and disposal costs accordingly. It was further revamped to meet the stringent limits of Italian and foreign regulations, and now it has even surpassed itself and become the effective response to future scenarios. Thanks to its technical choices and new engineering solutions, Veolia Italia has further improved both the performance and energy efficiency of its evaporation units. Let's have a look at the innovative elements that are a part of the EVALED F15, the evaporator with the mechanical vapor recompression and forced circulation.
We start with the waste entering the boiler. Liquid volume here is lower and loading is therefore quicker. Startup consumption is consequently cut in half. Vapor in the boiler passes through the new mist eliminator, which reduces drop dimensions even further, and drops of even a very teeny diameter are stopped. Let's have a look at the shape of the boiler. We can see its geometrical construction and how this enhances the mist eliminator activity we saw previously. The goal is to have a different and more effective vapor distribution system. Here you can see how the boiler becomes more narrow. This is because we wanted to improve the impact speed on the mist eliminator. Here you can see how the boiler is higher. With this shape, vapor is evenly distributed and space for the vapor is increased. The final result is cleaner vapor, thanks to drop separation, with a remarkable improvement of the compressor performance and of distillate quality. Now let's take a look at the condenser, the main heat exchanger. Complete vapor condensation and thermal exchange with waste occur here. Its surface has been widened and consequently is more flexible and less sensitive to fouling phenomena. The position of the exchanger at eye level is a real advantage as maintenance activity is far easier. The distillate tank merits a look as well. You can see it is separate from the condenser. The separation of the two components allows the choice of a floating head condenser instead of a stationary one. Thanks to the floating head condenser, the shell and tubes can be completely extracted, and this feature allows the treatment of heavily fouling wastewater types. Thanks to the floating head condenser, the shell and tubes can be completely extracted for deep cleaning, and this feature allows the treatment of heavily fouling wastewater types. Let's continue by looking at the compressor, the core of the unit, as it compresses the vapor to increase the temperature. Its assembly has become easier, as alignment criticalities, typical of direct coupling, has been eliminated, thanks to new generation belts. while its relevant effectiveness in power transmission has been maintained. Furthermore, the compressor is far more resistant to corrosion, as it is made of a particular stainless steel. This means that even the most aggressive wastewater can be treated. Constant monitoring of oil temperature and levels is also important. A standard fan brings down the oil temperature, and this extends its life and allows a substantial reduction in costs. Thermal recovery efficiency has been improved. A new plate heat exchanger allows higher heat exchange with the distillate. The way it's made allows easier cleaning and disassembly operations. Look at these leaves. Thanks to this feature, no other part of the unit needs to be disassembled to carry out the exchanger local cleaning. We are now nearing the end of our brief summary, and we would like to focus on the optional system for heat recovery, the recovery heat exchanger, from concentrate to waste. First of all, it is easy to inspect and maintenance time is reduced. The heat exchange surface has been tripled, as well as the possibility to reduce energy consumption, even with the highest concentrated wastewater at the inlet.
The EVALED F15 is not just technical and technological innovation, it's the accurate analysis of customer needs and a focused approach to the end user's daily needs, thanks to expertise coming from thousands of units installed throughout the world. The new automatic chemical cleaning of the units permits night or weekend shelling or any other time you wish, with no labor. It is smaller in size and is designed for external installation. Monitoring and controlling processes are more accurate and can both be carried out remotely. Special care has been given to all aspects of maintenance and installation. Access to all components is now easier, and maintenance and assembly have been simplified. Condenser positioned at eye level. Easy disassembly of the thermal recovery unit. Plate heat exchanger at eye level and easy to disassemble. Boiler opening manhole. Its resistors allow a quicker startup. Floating work level, easily extractable for level cleaning with no contact with the wiring system. Distillate tank, separated from the heat exchanger, top access through the manhole. Veolia's significant sensitivity to environmental politics, one of its key features, could not be left aside. Veolia's commitment to environmental impact reduction has therefore led to further reduction in power consumption and CO2 emissions, improved effectiveness for thermal exchange with energy recovery from concentrate and distillate, quicker startup with reduced power demand, new acoustic shelves to minimize noise pollution, Service, value, responsibility are the fundamentals that lead the company's choices, focusing on offering value-added solutions to a myriad of issues.